Hey guys, Anthony here with Marking Time. I haven't done a video in a little while, and I wanted to jump on here and address an issue that's kind of been a thorn in my side, and that has been Amazon UK. So I would say probably about 5 months ago, I started the process to get my UK VAT number, which is a value-added tax. For those that are in the UK, you know what this is. In the US, you might not know that. It's kind of a sales tax for the UK government. And in order to be on Amazon UK, you have to have that, and you have to charge VAT on all your purchases. It's been a very difficult process for me, and I didn't get it completed within the 90 days for Amazon UK, and they deactivated my account. Now I have inventory in an Amazon UK warehouse. So fast forward to now, I have that approved application, and now there's some discrepancies of, my name says LLC, but on UK it doesn't say LLC. So Amazon's like, well, it all needs to match up, and it's really been a super huge headache for me, but I'm working through it. I didn't want to have to be on Amazon UK in the first place. I actually wanted to be in CousinsUK. They have a very reputable business. Everyone shops there. And then I wouldn't have had to go through all the process to get this and ship inventory into the UK, and then they can distribute that. And I actually reached out to CousinsUK and was in contact with them and sent them a free sample of a Chrono Clean. And they were very happy with that. But they since have ghosted me. And I just really kind of want to, send a message to CousinsUK. I'm still very interested. Maybe we got off onto the wrong foot, but, let's let bygones be bygones. And if maybe some of you guys out there could reach out to CousinsUK and say, hey, listen, we'd like to purchase Chrono Cleans. I have a big shipment that's getting ready to ship. I would love to send them to CousinsUK's warehouse. And, I would really like to re-engage that. I'm on Esslinger. Esslinger has been great. They're selling my product, and I would really love to kind of just have, the two main, in my opinion, distributors of watch repair parts, having the Chrono Clean in stock. And so it's something I would like to re-engage. And, maybe if you guys out there could kind of help me in that process and reach out to them and, tell them that you want Chrono Clean on CousinsUK. I'm not going to say what kind of led to them ghosting me. It really is not here nor there, and I don't want to put them on blast, but I don't care as a businessman. I've got, no hurt feelings, no ego in this whole thing. I just want to be able to get this product out to customers in other countries. I live in the US here in Arizona, so it's very difficult for me as a small business owner to reach out to all of the EU. I just don't have that kind of personnel, or it's really just me. Or I guess deep pockets like CousinsUK does. So if they have it in there, they've already got the UK VATs, they've probably got VATs in other countries, and all the regulations, and big warehouses and shipping teams and logistics guys. So I just can't do that by myself. So I'm working on getting them into Amazon UK. I'll keep pushing that and fighting that fight, but really my goal is to be in CousinsUK. I think that's where it's at. If you're not in the US, you're in CousinsUK, and so I want to re-engage with them. So like this video, maybe share it. Maybe if you know people with CousinsUK, send them this video. I'm talking to you, Luke. Let's redo this, and I'd really love to do business with you guys. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.